Welcome to BMeks Info channel. In today's video, I would be sharing powerful tips to help restore your computer back to life. Please help us to grow by subscribing to our channel. The first step will involve disabling some of the applications that boot along whenever you press your start button. Some of these applications tend to drag your boot time backwards. So how do you disable some of these applications? First, go to your Windows search bar and type a Task Manager. Task Manager, and this pops up, just click Open. And under the Task Manager, just go to Startup. And this brings up all the applications that are currently enabled or disabled. And these are the applications that boot along with your system. Whenever you press the Start button, and the disabling some of them, especially the ones you don't always use, will increase your boot time and also increase your browsing time. So how do we go about that? Under the Status. Yeah, I hope you can see it. Go through it and see if there is any application you don't always use. For instance, I don't always make use of Microsoft Edge. You can see it's disabled. WhatsApp is also disabled here, so let's assume I don't want to be using MuseHub. You can see MuseHub here. Just click on it and go down here and click Disable. And it disabled. If you want to enable it again, just click on it and go down here and click Enable. So the same process applies to anyone you don't want. Just click on it. Go down here and click Enable or Disable, and that solves the problem. And once you've done this, your computer is going to boot very fast. And let me show you a second way to check the status of your hard drive. And how do you do that? Under the Task Manager, go to Performance. This Performance, and click on it. And the health status of your hard drive is displayed for you. As you can see, I currently use 3.8 gig out of 8 gig. That represents about 48% of my hard drive memory. You can see I don't have so many applications running. So the more you reduce the number of applications you have, the better your hard drive will operate or function for you. So this is just to show you. You don't have to do much here, and once you're done with that, just click Close and restart your system. And see how fast it will boot this time around. In case this first tape fails to work for you, I will have to show you another tip you can also try as well. And that involves going to your Windows search bar here and type msconfig. msconfig. It stands for System Configuration. Just click Open. Under it, click the Boot tab. I hope you can see it is somehow small. Just click Boot tab and select Advanced Options. Check the box with the title number of processors, and from the Advanced Options pull-down menu, select the highest number in the list. For instance, in my own case here, the highest number here is 4. So it's selected. And once that is done, just come down here and click OK. And click Apply and OK. Then it's asking you whether you want to restart the system, or you want to continue to do any other thing on the system. So the best thing for you to do is to restart once you have followed the steps I just showed you now. But because I'm going to show you another step, I will click this exit without restarting. So this is the second step. I'm very sure it's going to work for you. If the first step fails, this second step will work for you. But let me also show you a third step in case. And that will involve going back to your Windows taskbar and typing msconfig. msconfig for short. Click OK and select Services tab. Just click Open again. And under the System configuration here, just go to Services and click on it, and you are going to see most of the applications that are currently running. And some that are not running. First of all, go down under there and click this box that says Hide All Microsoft Services. Just click on it. And once you've clicked on it, go back here and uncheck all these boxes. Uncheck all of them. Uncheck all the boxes that are currently checked. And once you've done that, just come back here and click OK. I'm not going to click OK because I did this few minutes back. The only thing you owe us in this channel is to subscribe. If after trying these methods I've shared with you, your computer is fully working for you, just come back and subscribe to our channel.